techniques, the spinning hook kick. Now, this is a movement I see so many people doing incorrectly, and they're making one little mistake that's causing the alignment of their kick to be way off. So weight, nice and evenly distributed, and my weight's gonna slightly go to the back so I can pivot or I can step. Now I'm turning. Now this is the mistake I'm seeing everybody do. They throw the technique from here, from back facing. Incorrect. You will not have a good spinning hook kick. I have to drive the hip here. Just this difference between here to here is huge. This is a huge difference. So I'm here, we have back facing, quarter facing, full facing. We want to be quarter facing where my hip is lined up with the target. All right, turning, not here, here. Getting my kick straight back like a side kick and then hooking at the last second. Okay, right back to my stance. Getting jabs, you're faking, stepping, again, not here, here. Okay, I'm getting my kick to go as straight back as possible on this side of the target, on this side of the opponent's face, all right? And as I get it straight back, I'm hooking it out with my leg and my knee at the last second. So that's our spinning hook kick. We've done many spinning techniques, spinning back kick, Mealua's spinning heel kick. This is just another variation and another technique for your toolbox.